Hello, welcome to my Android classroom. Today I want to show you how to disable all views in Android like this. Okay, let's get started. So here's my main layout. It's a relative layout as the root layout. Inside of it, we have a linear layout. It contains 3 buttons, button 1, button 2, and a disable button. And I have wired them up in my main activity Java file. I'll also set the onClick listener to the button 1 and button 2 to show a toast message. Okay, so below the linear layout, we are going to create a view, set the width to match parent, height to match parent, and set the background to white, alpha, which is the transparency, to 0.5, and we set the clickable to true. Lastly, we set the visibility to gone. And don't forget to give it an ID. We call it mask view. Okay, so let's wire it up. Next, we set the onClick listener to the disable button. Inside the onClick method, we set the mask. We set the visibility to the mask view to visible. And that's it. Let's run it. Okay, perfect. So after you finish the task, you can set the visibility back to gone. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you next time.